You open YouTube right now and search for the best smartphone 2026. You will find hundreds of videos, benchmark scores, drop tests, camera comparisons, influencers holding phone they got for free telling you which one you have absolutely have to buy. Here's what none of them will tell you. The phone that's right for them might be completely wrong for you. Today we are stripping away the marketing, the sponsorship and the spec sheet noise. This is the only smartphone buying guide that starts with you, not the product. Before you look at a single price tag or read a single spec sheet, you need to answer one question. How do you actually use a phone? Not how you think you will use it, how you actually use it. There are two kinds of phone users in the world. The first type treats their phone like an experiment. They want to unlock the bootloader, sideload apps the store won't let them install, and customize every single layer of the experience. If that's you, Android is a no-brainer. It's a sandbox. It was built for you. The second type wants an appliance, something that's turned on, works perfectly, and never ask them to think about it. If that's you, an iPhone, a Samsung S series, or a Google Pixel are the best option for you. Stable, established, reliable. Neither choice is wrong, but buying from the wrong category because a YouTuber made their lifestyle look cool, that's where the regret comes from. Pick your lane first, then buy the specs that match what you actually do, not what you wish you will do. Now here's the advice that's going to save you a lot of money and a lot of frustration. Once you buy your phone, stop watching phone reviews videos. I'm serious. You're locking in. Watching videos about the next big thing every week for the next 12 months is just engineering FOMO. The algorithm knows exactly what it's doing. And here's the technological reality. Upgrading every year doesn't make sense anymore, unless money genuinely isn't a concern for you. The hardware gap between a phone from this year and a phone from 2 years ago is now so small that most people can't even feel it in daily use. The cameras are nearly identical, the processors are fast enough for everything, so make the commitment upfront, buy the specs you need today, with the intention of holding that device for a minimum of 2 to 3 years. That's not settling, that's the only approach that actually makes financial and technological sense. And here's the last thing, the most important thing, and it has nothing to do with specs. Phones are tools, extraordinary, powerful, beautiful tools. But they are still just tools. The best phone you can own is the one you use to communicate, to learn and to build something, not the one you use to spend 3 hours in a loop of reels and short on a screen that's slowly replacing your actual life. Whatever phone you end up buying, that decisions matter a lot less than what you decide to do with it every single day. Buy smart, use it with intention, and then put it down and go build something. This is Axon. See you next week.